Okay guys, so I'm in my apartment and I just went up all those stairs, so I'm gonna show y'all step by step what's in here. So here's my little kitchen, and just like I was telling you guys that it's 549 square feet and it's a studio. I have my nice cabinets and oh my gosh, I can't open it. Just nice and clean. My refrigerator, freezer, and then we have my microwave, my oven, the one little baby dishwasher. Super cute. I guess it's the dream. We have a lot of plugs in here, and then here is my washer and dryer, which is a full size, and it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm just gonna peek in here. Oh. And then here's basically the living room, dining room, and the bedroom. So cute. It smells so nice in here. And then we have my little walk-in closet. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's not okay. Oops, I don't even know what I just said. But yeah, here's my walk-in closet. There's a lot of shelf space, which I really like about it. So I can put like all my shoes and everything and just hang up every single thing. And I really do like this, it's so cute. And then last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys oh my gosh, I kind of forgot where it's at. I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. So yeah, the bathroom is nice. I have a full-size tub and it's just nice for me and it's pretty cute. And then we have like a little closet in here with the towels and yeah, hey, it's me. Excited. All right guys, and that's pretty much it.